Basically, napanood ko tong video ni Boss RDR na he mentioned that a house is a liability. And that basically triggered me to create this video. And based on my research, naging popular tong idea na to because of Robert Kiyosaki's book na Rich Dad versus Poor Dad, which basically says that if it takes money out of your pocket, then therefore it's a liability. So to me, yeah, that's more of like on an investor's perspective or POV. But what if ikaw yung someone na lumaki nang nagre-renta kayo tapos palipat-lipat and isa din naman kayo sa mga taong hindi pinagpalang may mamanahin mula sa mga magulang nyo. Because not everyone lumaki sa sarili nilang bahay and may mga mamanahing properties. Like us, simula teenager ako at nasunog yung bahay namin sa Muntinlupa. Started renting apartments in Parañaque and nagre-range yung mga nire-rent namin doon from 8K to 15,000. And imagine for how many years you're paying that much and then wala naman napupunta sa inyo. So, for example na lang, yung recent ko na nirentahan dito sa Cavite, nasa around 7,500 yun per month. And yung amortization na yan, makakakuha ka na rin ng bahay dito sa Cavite. Sabi nga nila, not one size fits all. So yung mindset ni Robert Kiyosaki is, for some nagwo-work, but for majority of the Filipinos, I think medyo hindi siya applicable. And don't forget to take into account yung security, stability, pati peace of mind because those are priceless too. Iba rin talaga kapag tumira ka kasi sa sarili mong bahay. Hindi mo na i-worry na kailan ka ba paaalisin, hanggang kailan ka ba doon. Nothing against sa mga nagre-renta. But what I'm saying is, if you have the capability to own a house now, hindi man siya ganun kalaki, yung enough lang for your needs, for your family's needs, then why not get it now? So, just to close this, alam naman natin na hindi lahat tayo may mamanahin na bahay. And halos lahat tayo nagtatrabaho para mabuo yung pwede natin tawaging sa atin. So, no, for me, a house is not a liability. It's basically a start of something permanent and one that can give you stability. But yeah, iba-iba naman tayo ng mindset and situation. So whatever works best for you or kung ano yung mga bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo, gawin mo lang yan, go. So yun lang, ciao!